Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is having a great holiday so far. We are officially on day 17 of my 25 days of Christmas gifts for him. This series has been going on strong and I am loving hearing all the feedback that I'm hearing from you guys every day. Each day I am showing you guys a new product, a new brand, all highlighting gift ideas for the guys in your life. Now, if this is the first time that you've been on this channel, welcome and happy holidays. Make sure you guys are giving this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys are also pressing that subscribe button and hitting that bell because you don't want to miss any notifications for this series. Guys, make sure you are going back and checking the previous 16 videos. So go check those out and make sure you guys are giving those a thumbs up too, just so they can circulate for everyone else. So a trend that has been my obsession all 2023 has been the elongated cardigans for men. I've been seeing this trend all fall, especially of these boho styled and hipster style cardigans are being worn with different undershirts, turtlenecks, jackets, dress shirts, t-shirts, and it's just giving a completely different look. I partnered with wish.com to search their website for some items that I think I'd like and show you guys, and the first thing that I decided on was some elongated cardigans. I wanted to see if this knitted look was for me, and let me tell you, it was. I'm already obsessed with them and I want to show you guys them, and then we'll try them on and see how the elongated cardigans look on me, and I'll tell you why I think they're the perfect gift for him. I decided to go with two elongated cardigans, same cardigan, just different colors, just so I can have one that was more bold and have one that was more chill, laid back, and that could be a day-to-day look. So first up we have the gray one. Y'all know Wish could be a hit or miss, but I say that from everything I've ever ordered on Wish has always been a hit. This is one of them right here. This is their elongated men's cardigans. It's a slim fit, 7-button, loose collar one, and I wanted this one because I wanted to be able to layer it with something thicker or with like a turtleneck where it wouldn't take away from it or be too tight at the top that I couldn't outfit it with anything else other than a shirt. Now I will say, being 6'3", I had to get it to fit my length more than my arms, which is fine. I wanted to make sure that long did not also mean wide, and that was something that I had to look for with all of their cardigans to make sure of that. But these are exactly what I wanted. The gray is a really simple long light gray. Like, look how long that is. Like, it's actually really long. It's about knee length, which is exactly what I wanted. It buttons all the way to the top, which is also in the winter perfect idea, and the collar is a pop-up or leave down collar. Now, I was worried that the knit would be kind of a thin material, but it turned out not to be bad at all. It is quite warm for it to be knitted, and the quality of this is so much better than I thought it was going to be. It turned out to be really good. For $25.99, this was a good move. The cardigan itself has two deep pockets in there. These pockets are deep, these pockets are usable, which is what I like about them. Now, because I had decided to go with such a plain and simple color with the gray, I wanted to go a little bit more bold with the next one, which is more of a burnt orange. Same quality, same length, buttons are the same. I do like that they went with a lighter button with this one over the dark ones like in the gray. It really complemented it. Gave me the same size, pockets are still as deep. I have to say, I was a little worried about the color of this, that it was going to come out a little lighter than what it did, and I really was hoping that it would be that burnt orange. Turned out to be perfect. I like this one because when I wear dark colors, this is kind of what I want to complement it. This is supposed to be my focal point, which is why I wanted this one. So I really like both of these. I think they're great. Wish did a great job with these cardigans. Well, let's try both of these on and see what they look like. Alright guys, so here's the gray one, and I am digging this length. I like this a lot. I like how simple it is. These pockets are actually really good. I have a mirror literally right here, so I'm checking myself out in the mirror. And guys, this looks good. I like this. It's giving a very boho chic look. Now, if you know your guys have a really good fashion sense and want something simple, but something that hits the outfit right, it's the elongated cardigan. This is the move. I like this a lot. Like, even with the boots and everything, this is a really good look. I'm more of a cardigan open type person, but I like the way it sits. Really wasn't expecting it to be so thick the way it is, but it actually is. This is a good accent piece to have on you. I like it. I think this is a simple, good look. The elongated look is such a good trend. I'm not gonna lie. The gray hits. It sits good in the back, even though it's longer up front. It really does give you that length. I need to know, what do you guys think of this one? Is the gray a hit or a miss? Let me know in the comments. Alright, let's check out the next one. Aw man, my Aunt Francine always says, watch out there now. This is it. Man, this burnt orange is a color pop. This is an outfit trend for the day, guys. It's screaming fall, it's screaming boho, it's screaming classy. This is the move. Now, you guys know I love when my outfit has a single focal point that just pops the entire outfit. Putting this on with all black, I wasn't even prepared for it. Guys, the length is perfect, the style is perfect, the pockets, again, perfect. I love the knitted versions of these. I don't think I feel the same about the cotton ones. But guys, let me know. What do y'all think? I'm obsessed. This is my obsession right now. How did I not get on this sooner? Wish did their thing with this one. I am obsessed. This is a completely different look for me. I think this is it. I want to know what you guys think. With the boots, rocking this with all black, I couldn't even have expected this to look this good. I just like the entire style that it's given me. Guys, I'm comfortable in this. I like this one more than the gray. I think I do. Elongated cardigans are the way to go. Guys, this is what he needs in his closet today. Believe me, game changer. This is the simplest trend that he can get on that will give him so many different looks. You can play with these cardigans like no other. This is probably my favorite look right here. But I want to know what you guys think. Are these cardigans the way to go? Do you like this style and this look with the elongated cardigans, and do you believe that he will want these under his tree? Let me know in the comments. Or am I crazy? But I do think this is the way to go. Guys, if you like this video, make sure you're giving it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribing to this channel and hitting that bell so that you're getting the rest of my 25 days of Christmas series right to your phone and computer. But that's all I got for you guys today. Make sure you guys are going back and seeing my other 16 videos. There are so many brands I'm highlighting, so many products, and it's not too late to get those orders in. Make sure they're under your tree in time for him. So as always, guys, show love, support the dream, and spread positivity. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy holidays.